Coming snake invasion drop-off for MJ-12 OSS Mi-6. Signs: figures seen from behind, cloned bodies, attire, caramel-stained straitjackets. Refuge: Monroe Institutions, United States. Group: 72 Demons, Code Gray. Coupling: Angel of Death, Lady in White. Magnitude: clenched fist, fingernail pierced palm. Jurisdiction: uncharted. Situational awareness: off the rails. Power level: imminent. Classification: interdimensional. Announcement: get out of the water. Carriers 1 and 2. Reconnaissance: House of Nagas. Number of items: 1 missing child. Protection: Hospital Uniform number 72390. Location last seen: Safeway parking lot. Order: return to sender. Passcode: Oedipus. Collateral: Davy Jones locker. Shipping: helicopter. Additional item in tow: wheelchair. Records confiscated. Association doubled. Ready for transfer. Issue: The Last Days. Roommate: Daniel. Mostly docile, highly ranked. Prescription: mother's milk, homemade. Event: end of illusion dinner date. Timeline: Saturn and Pisces current. Menu: fish. Wardrobe: animatronics, beauty products, water, salt. Exit gate 8. Hours open, unlimited, rangers on duty. Access: suitors, vendors, and veterans only. Final notice: evolution or eviction. Officer: Jezebel Mazarat. Status: Ancient Queen. Species: Octopus. Destination: Vegetable Space Station. Party members: Chained, Centipede Formation. All on board property of Sanat Kumara. Remarks and regards. You are being recorded. Offer: supply while demands last. Product: massage. Happy ending included. Banned. Refusals to complete trial. Statement: long shall bile run in your blood. May you crawl your way back to God.